After Kabir Singh released, I went like a beggar to everybody. I cried buckets. I cried twice when I saw the film. It's very scary to work with your dad, especially when he is an actor.
शाहिद कपूर ने किया कन्फेस, कबीर सिंह की सक्सेस ने उन्हें बना दिया बेगर। 200 करोड़ की अर्निंग के प्रेशर में दब गए थे शाहिद कपूर। लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं, फिल्म जर्सी को शाहिद कपूर ने कबीर सिंह से पहले ही करने का ले लिया था फैसला। शाहिद कपूर और मृणाल ठाकुर स्टारर फिल्म जर्सी का ट्रेलर हुआ लॉन्च और इस ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर शाहिद कपूर ने रिवील किया कैसे फिल्म कबीर सिंह की सक्सेस के बाद वो हो गए थे कंफ्यूज कि कैसे वो 200 करोड़ क्लब के मेंबर्स के साथ करें काम और वो लोगों से ले रहे थे सजेशन।
After Kabir Singh released, I went like a beggar to everybody. I was like, यार मेरी पिक्चर इतनी कभी नहीं चली है, ऐसी पिक्चर फिर से कैसे बनाऊं, मुझे नहीं पता. So I went to literally everybody in the fraternity who had, these 200 plus crore films and all. And I've been working for 18 years, So after 15, 16 years of work, finally a film of mine did such big business. So I felt like, I have never been a part of this world and this club. So I felt, कि मैं ऐसा अभी suddenly मेरे को ऐसा एकदम 200 plus crore के I need to look comfortable in this space. And I was very uncomfortable because I don't know how the hell it happened, right? So I went to everybody and I was like, okay, so what should I do next and how should I do it and this, that. And fortunately, I do one film at a time. So somehow I hadn't really decided what I wanted to do next. That was good. And everybody's like, you've played a college boy. You must do that again. Stay young, Choose an aggressive character. Why don't you do an action film next, right? So all that happened and I was like, yeah, you're right. And I heard a lot of subjects, I heard a lot of stories and this story just stayed with me.
लेकिन शाहिद कपूर ने ये भी बताया कैसे उन्होंने जर्सी फिल्म को कबीर सिंह की रिलीज के पहले देखा था और वो इतना रोए थे कि उनकी वाइफ हैरान थी, लेकिन तभी उन्होंने इस फिल्म को करने का फैसला ले लिया था।
It's actually kind of about a guy who gets another shot, which is like one of the layers of the film. I would not say that is what the film is about. I saw this film 2 weeks before Kabir Singh released, because it was offered to me. And I cried buckets. I cried twice when I saw the film. And I came out and, I was seeing it with Meera, my wife, and at that time my manager. And both of them were girls. They were both looking at me like, they were also emotional and all, but they were looking at me like saying like, iska kya ho gaya? Iska meltdown kyun ho gaya? They were like, it's okay, it's a great film, but what happened to you? I said, something very deep down is connected with me on this film, And then Kabir Singh happened.
वैसे इस फिल्म में शाहिद कपूर फिर से अपने डैड पंकज कपूर के साथ काम कर रहे हैं और उन्होंने रिवील किया कैसे पंकज कपूर ने जैसे ही अपना फर्स्ट शॉट दिया, फिल्म के डायरेक्टर ने उनसे पूछ लिया क्या वो अपने डैड के परफॉर्मेंस को मैच कर पाएंगे।
It's very scary to work with your dad, especially when he is an actor. Oh, I'll tell you a nice fun story, okay? So this scene you saw where he's having tea and me and him are talking to each other and he says, oh, ground shoot gaya and all, right? So that was his first day of shooting. And I had shot about 15 days with, Gautam and, I felt he's very happy with me as a director and, I'm bringing something fresh to this role and whatever. And so we started the scene and for some reason, Gautam took his shot first, because we're against each other. So either the camera's behind me or behind him. So he took his shot first, right? And my dad did the take and suddenly I saw Gautam's expression has changed. Okay. So I looked at him, I said, what happened, man? Like, he very seriously went up to dad and he said, outstanding, sir. We're moving on. Then he walked into a corner alone. So I walked behind him. I was like, what's going on here? I got a little nervous. So I said, kya hua? Gautam sir, kya hua? So he says, sir, I'm very concerned. I said, what happened? You'll be able to match his performance in your shot? Because he's outstanding. People will not look at you. You better be very good in the shot. So that's how my dad is. And so I don't think I need to explain my experience any further. It's pretty nerve-wracking working with him.
वैसे अब तक कबीर सिंह की सक्सेस के बाद यही कहा जाता था कि ये शाहिद कपूर के करियर का बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस रहा है, लेकिन शाहिद कपूर ने साफ किया है कि जर्सी उनके करियर की सबसे शानदार परफॉर्मेंस रही है।
This story just stayed very close to my heart and I wanted to play this character. And I think it's very humble of Gautam to say what he's saying, but I think he's a very, very fine filmmaker. And the way he has touched my emotional, core when I saw this film, I'm fortunate that I'm getting to tell this story and play the character that I've played under his direction because he understands the story better than anybody else. And he understands the heart of the story, and I'm drawing only from what he has conceived. and I'm very fortunate to be a part of this film.
यहाँ शाहिद कपूर का विटी अंदाज नजर आया जब एक रिपोर्टर ने उनकी सक्सेसफुल फिल्म का नाम लिया, तो इस पर शाहिद कपूर ने कहा कि वो उनकी फिल्म बत्ती गुल का नाम भी ले सकते हैं।
Shahid, my second question is to you. From Padmavat, Kabir Singh, now Jersey. The next is with Ali Abbas
बीच में
Zafar.
बत्ती गुल भी आई थी, you can say it, I don't mind. Always be honest to yourself.
इसके अलावा और भी ढेर सारी एंटरटेनिंग बातें हुई इस ट्रेलर लॉन्च इवेंट पर। टेक अ लुक।
ओल्ड वाइन, न्यू बॉटल, ये सब बोलते हैं लोग, मेरे को ये बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता है। मैं बॉटल बनाने नहीं आया, मेरे को वाइन में इंटरेस्ट है। मैंने ना 20 साल जर्नी किया, अभी मेरे को सक्सेस चाहिए। इसने अभी 2-3 साल पहले स्टार्ट किया।